First, grab 300 grams of mac beans and 50 grams of sticky rice. This rice is the secret for a creamy texture. Pour in 2 liters of cold water, give it a stir, and put the whole bowl in your freezer. Leave it there overnight. This freezing step is a total game changer. It makes the beans tenderize much faster later on. The next day, take that frozen block of beans and put it right into your pot. Add another 1.5 liters of fresh water. Bring it to a boil. Then squeeze in the juice from half a lemon. This little trick keeps you drink a beautiful bright green color. Now just let it simmer gently on low heat for a good 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, turn off the heat, but don't touch the lid. Leave it covered and let it just sit there for another 10 minutes. This resting time is crucial. It lets the beans relax and absorb all that last bite of water, cutting them incredibly soft and ready to become silky smooth. Now stir in 100 grams of rock sugar. I like rock sugar because it dissolves cleanly and isn't too sweet. Pour in another 1 liter of water to have it all melt together. For a little touch of luxury, add 20 grams of condensed milk. It gives a rich depth that's just incredible. Stir until everything is dissolved into a sweet, fragrant broth. Let your pot cool down to room temperature. This is important before the next step. Once it's cool, pour in 300 milliliters of fresh milk. Now, get your blender ready. Pour everything in and blend it on high till it's completely smooth. You are going for a totally silky, uniform liquid with no grit at all. Your drink is ready. You can pour yourself a glass right now and enjoy it as is. It's fantastic at room temperature. But if you want that real refreshing shop-style experience, drop a couple of ice cubes into your glass. It chills it down perfectly and makes it even more tart, quenching for a hot day. And there you have it. Take that first sip. Taste how smooth it is. It's not too sweet, not too heavy. It's just right, creamy, refreshing, and packed with that authentic mac bean flavor you love. This is the real deal, and you made it yourself. Once you try it, you will see it is just as good, if not better, than the one you buy outside.